President Biden's State of the Union address shook up some stocks. It continues to play out in the market. Let's bring in Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. Joe, the president went after billionaires, big oil, and monopolies. What reactions are you seeing in the stock market?
Yeah, thank you. It's really interesting to see how the market reacted to that. Now, there was a wide agenda that the president set out for. Of course, you mentioned a lot of them. And the market kind of took a lot of them in stride, not reacting too much. But it's interesting to me. I'm seeing a big reaction in some areas, specifically the antitrust areas. And that's actually one area where the administration can go on their own. They won't need any help from Congress. So the Department of Justice can go over the big tech companies. We saw some of those big tech companies get hit very hard following that speech. So it's interesting to see how will that play out. Will there be anything more going forward? But for now, the market's taking that part seriously.
Google and Meta are among the companies accused of being too big and reacting to the president's speech. What about oil? The president went hard on exposing the massive profits being made by oil companies, but still admits that we do need oil. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I mean, oil maybe shrugging that off. Of course, maybe it's more on the global economy. I think people are still going to need oil for the foreseeable future, and oil is going to move with the global economic demand. Global economy is stronger. Oil is going to have to go higher.
Joe, how would you describe this market?
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting to watch all the sectors kind of independently moving around right now in 2023. For me, it's much more of a stock pickers environment. There's some winners, some losers. The best of breed are having a big year. And of course, so a lot of the oversold names in 2022 are having a fantastic year. So for me, it goes back to the fundamentals. What is the value of a company? How is it going to do in the next 18 months?
A stock pickers market indeed. Thank you, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.